Hey, how's it going? And today I'm beginning a series of tutorials on LightWave and Unreal Engine. In fact, that's probably all the tutorials I'm going to do from here on out. So to get started, I'm in LightWave Modeler, and I'm going to go to Box, or sorry, Ball. I'm going to make a sphere. And if we come into numeric, we're tessellating this because Unreal Engine works off of tessellation, basically because it uses the GPU. It processes everything as triangles. And one of the big things in Unreal right now is the nanite, which is basically, this is fun to say at dinner parties, adaptive dynamic tessellation. So as much as possible, if you can put your objects in triangles, it will help compatibility with Unreal Engine. And this is just a sphere, and so it's been tessellated, and I'm just going to close the tool, and we'll just go ahead and save this object as I don't know, RR or something, and then we'll just go ahead and send it to layout. There it is in layout, and what we have is it's nice sphere, smooth sphere. If we come over to the surface editor, we can make sure that smoothing is on as well. And then if we go here, and this is one of the things, I say what you want about LightWave, but I think they were foresightful in trying to create a bridge and link with Unreal Engine, because under the materials sections, they actually have one for Unreal. They don't have that for Unity or anything else. They just have it for Unreal. And actually, this was one of the factors that got me leaning toward Unreal, was because I saw LightWave was working toward developing that compatibility. So anyway, we have that as a shading model. So we're going to go ahead, or material, I should say. So what I'm going to try to do is just send over a sphere. And as much as possible, if you can use this, then you're going to be in line with Unreal Engine pretty much on anything on these categories. So let's just say we want to send in a kind of a golden ball. So let me just find kind of a golden color there. I guess that's kind of goldish. And we can leave it shiny in the roughness. And I guess we do have an option. Oh, we got over here. Unreal Tessellation, we have an option for that. And I want to do metallic. So I'm pretty sure in Unreal, I'll have to double check, that it's all or nothing. It's not, it doesn't matter whether it's 1% or 100%. It's basically either 1 or 0 for the metallic. Pretty sure about that. But anyway, we have that. Then I did a video already on how to connect these up. So if you followed that previous one, we just come here to open Unreal, and we should just be able to connect. Let me go into Unreal for us to start a new project. So I'm just starting a new project, a basic project, game project with no starter content, and just go create. And so you got to have Unreal up and running for this to link up. Unfortunately, it's only current with 4.26. The good news is 4.26 was a very good, like a wine, it was a very good year. 4.26 was a good engine version. So if you're going to be stuck on one, that might as well be the one you're stuck on. So hopefully that will change. So anyway, we come back here, and now we just hit connect. And it links up, and all we want to send over is this sphere using the Unreal materials. And so if I look, let's take a look at this in VPR. See what it looks like. Yeah, it's just, and now I'll try to send over things more complicated as we progress on this. So I'm just going to go select an item, and if we look at Unreal here, we don't have anything in the scene right now. So we're not sending over any lights or anything. We're just sending this. So let's send it and see what happens. And there it is. So fantastic. That works. So here, I know it seems a little offset for some. Usually this gizmo is on it. So there's some things that are different, and let me show you kind of this error that I was getting. So let me hit play, and something's going on because it doesn't usually take that long. Now there is our ball in here somewhere. I saw its shadow. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it looks like it came in, and it looks pretty good. Now this is going to be a static mesh. So that's our ball, our gold ball that we made in LightWave. So that's cool, right? Then we use the WASD keys to navigate in here. And E goes up, and Q goes down. And then you can hit, oh, because we're in play mode. So escape gets you out of play mode. Now we got this error, I notice, and I was researching this online. Root component cannot be, I thought it was related to this, but I'll show you something about that in just 1 second here. So how I fixed this error was, if I come in here to Blueprint, and we create a new subclass, and we'll just go select, and like I said, this is a status mesh. That's all we have to do, believe it or not. Isn't that weird? Okay, so now it's created this a blueprint, and it's a part of this now. So if I close out of this, now what we can do is, if I hit play, oh, it's there somewhere, there it is. I'm going to escape out. You notice we don't get that error anymore. Now I'll show you one last thing for today, is now we have it as a blueprint here, and what we can do is create, this basically made a class out of this static mesh, and so now we can just drag this on as we want to bring more balls in, like that. We can bring as many balls as we want. So that's probably the way they want it done. They want the static mesh linked to the class, to the blueprint class actor. So yeah, that's how they want it apparently. So it's what in Unreal do as Unreal does. Now one last thing I'll show you is, let me come up here a little bit. I'm missing the floor. It takes a little while to get used to the navigation in here. The other thing is that you'll notice you get this message about needing to rebuild the lighting, and all we have to do for that is essentially it's going to bake the lighting down, and so the lighting constantly has to be rebuilt. So all you have to do is switch your light to movable. But see, now I have 4 of these, so let me just delete these out. So delete, 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 and I'll just have 1. So you can rebuild the lighting, but we don't want it. So if I select on this, we switch it to movable. See how that message goes away? So now the lighting will be dynamic, and it won't be baked. So as this changes, the shadowing and stuff will change. So you don't have to keep rebuilding your lighting once you set it to movable. This is kind of a compromise between the two, and then this completely bakes the lighting. So anyway, I'll be doing more complicated things as we progress, but I just wanted to get you started with just bringing in this basic object and seeing what you can start doing. So of course we want to bring in more things than just a primitive object, and so I'll be working on trying to bring in more sophisticated things as we progress. So anyway, take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Hey, just been working on my Unreal to LightWave video, and one thing I found that helps quite a bit is this